Atención, aprende muy fácilmente a pronunciar 50 palabras en inglés. Comenzamos ya. Escuchar.
Listen. Listen. Listen.
Llorar.
Cry. Cry. Cry.
Amar.
Love. Love. Love.
Aprender.
Learn. Learn. Learn.
Correr.
Run. Run. Run.
Otro.
Other. Other. Other.
¿Por qué?
Because. Because. Because.
Saber.
No. No. No.
Querer.
Want. Want. Want.
Poder.
Can. Can. Can.
Decir.
Say. Say. Say.
Hacer.
Make. Make. Make.
Nada.
Nothing. Nothing. Nothing.
Bueno.
Good. Good. Good.
Gente.
People. People. People.
Nuevo.
New. New. New.
Mundo.
World. World. World.
País.
Country. Country. Country.
Lugar.
Place. Place. Place.
Ahora.
Now. Now. Now.
Tener.
Have. Have. Have.
Hacer.
Do. Do. Do.
Mirar.
Look. Look. Look.
Casa.
House. House. House.
Hombre.
Man. Man. Man.
Ciudad.
City. City. City.
Sistema.
System. System. System.
Empresa.
Company. Company. Company.
Punto.
Point. Point. Point.
Pequeño.
Small. Small. Small.
Familia.
Family. Family. Family.
Poder.
Power. Power. Power.
Idea.
Idea. Idea. Idea.
Dinero.
Money. Money. Money.
Espacio.
Space. Space. Space.
Educación.
Education. Education. Education.
Paz.
Peace. Peace. Peace.
Estrella.
Star. Star. Star.
Océano.
Ocean. Ocean. Ocean.
Cielo.
Sky. Sky. Sky.
Libro.
Book. Book. Book.
Tarde.
Afternoon. Afternoon. Afternoon.
Cambiar.
Change. change, change,
crear,
create, create, create,
entender,
understand, understand, understand,
hablar,
speak, speak, speak,
continuar,
continue, continue, continue,
imaginar,
imagine, imagine, imagine,
recordar,
remember, remember, remember,
comenzar,
begin, begin, begin,
abrir,
open, open, open,
cerrar,
close, close, close,
volar,
fly, fly, fly,
saltar,
jump, jump, jump,
perder,
lose,
Truco para aprender inglés fácilmente. Aprende agrupando frases similares como estas.
I want to speak English. I want to make friends. I want to find a job. I want to order food. I want to see a movie. I want to buy a ticket. I want to get a coffee. I want to take a break. I want to go shopping. I want to learn new words. I want to learn to dance. I want to help others. I want to eat. I want to run. I want to sleep. I want to study. I want to travel. I want to sing. I want to write. I want to swim. I want to play. I want to laugh. I want to cry. I want to jog. I want to read. I want to cook. I want to draw. I want to hike. I want to play.
Aprende fácilmente los verbos irregulares de uso común en inglés y su pronunciación correcta. Comencemos. Be. Repite conmigo. Be. Have. Do. Say. Go. Take. Come. See you. No. Get. Make. Think. Take. See. Come. Find. Give. Towel. Break. Eat.
¿Cómo dirías esto en inglés? Pocas personas lo logran. Responde rápido.
muy bien,
Very good.
muy fácil,
Very easy.
muy mal,
Very bad.
muy rápido,
Very fast.
muy lento,
Very slow.
muy fuerte,
Very strong.
muy débil,
Very weak.
muy alto,
Very tall.
muy bajo,
Very low.
muy caliente,
Very hot.
muy frío,
Very cold.
muy feliz,
Very happy.
muy triste,
Very sad.
muy caro,
Very expensive.
muy difícil,
Very hard.
muy limpio,
Very clean.
muy sucio,
Very dirty.
muy pequeño,
Very small.
muy grande,
Very big.
muy inteligente.
Very smart. Aprende a pronunciar en inglés estas palabras muy fácilmente. Comencemos. Ready? Repite conmigo. Ready? Good. Easy. Funny. Ugly. Clear. Fun. Fried. Free. clean, clean, dirty, dirty, long, long, bad, bad, happy, happy, daring, daring, hind, hind, house, house, cart, cart, cat, cat, dog, dog.